Hey guys, so I just got off work and I came outside and realized I have a flat tire. So instead of calling AAA, I decided to fix my tire myself. Now, if you bought a car in the last 5 years, they don't give you spare tires anymore. They give you an electronic air pump. So this video is to show you how to use the electronic air pump to put air in your tire. So this is the air pump that comes in my car. It has a connection for your cigarette charger, power button, and a PSI meter on here. Has a connection for the patch that also comes with the kit. You're going to connect to the patch here, and then you connect your patch to your car. Your patch sits on your charger like that, and then you turn your car on and plug into your car charger. So the car is on, and we're gonna put some air in the car. So we're gonna turn our kit on. So it reaches max pressure of about 40 psi. You screw it off, cover your cap. Now this is just a temporary fix. You still gotta take it to the shop to check for holes in your tire and patch if necessary. But this will get you home. So that's how you use your electronic air pump and patch kit in your car. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and hit that subscribe button. Bye.